What's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are back for another Roblox video. And I have some breaking news. We now have 12 subscribers. Last night we only had 7 about, so we've been gaining some subscribers. Our family, the Pineapple family, is growing huge. Well, not huge, but it's big now. Yes, like it's pretty good. So, well. Well, this is nice. This one. When I opened my screen recorder, I was playing and it lagged, and I just jumped and it lagged, so I didn't get to move. So I died. I was really mad. As you can tell now, I am not poor anymore. So it's kind of nice not being poor. Yeah, it's very nice. Because I used to have 0 and now I have a lot. Not a lot, but not like my friend. My friend has 1,350. Yeah. Yep, I have my energy drink back. Do 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 do. Oh, this one's easy. Except I'm really bad at the last part. Yeah, it's not loaded in yet, and I don't think it ever will. Only my character is loaded in. See, I'm bad at this part because it's so small. I made it. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is really easy with jump. Just yeah, like that. Okay. Now this is really easy with jump boost. So bloop 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 bloop. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I almost fell off. So I'm probably gonna win this round because I'm kind of amazing now. What? How did it die? I didn't touch it. Oh. Okay, okay. I'm calm. I'm very calm. It's like I just drank a Red Bull, but this is not Red Bull. This is Arnold Palmer. There's a difference. Well, I'm gonna ask, does anyone watch my channel? One time I had like a bunch of people swarming me. That was the last video. They were like, oh, it's Pineapple. That's mean. It's very mean. Someone just like, who are you? And I'm like, all of you guys know who I am because I'm the Pineapple. Why? Why would somebody do that to us? Someone even asked me what the name of the channel was, and one of the fans answered that. I was like, you're answering the question for me? I'm confused. Why would you do that? Okay, this is kind of hard, but like at least it's not on like the last level. It's on the first level. And it's in between my legs, that hurts. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Someone just said I love your vids, me too. I'm famous now. Kind of, not like a lot. Famous. Okay, I made it. Someone just said JK. I'm like, somebody's gonna die. Just thanks so much. Ah, okay. Say hey to YouTube. I'm filming. I'm filming. Just say hey to YouTube. I'm filming. It's like, wow, you're filming? Yes, I made it. What? Someone just said, hey YouTube. Okay, so I'm very excited for this announcement. We are having merch coming in soon, and also shout out. I don't know if he has a YouTube channel, but he's like a really big fan to Zach the King 500. He's in this game. He said, "Hey YouTube," and hopefully he will check out this video after I post it today. So hopefully you all will check it out after I post it today. So, cause that would be very nice. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because you're not gonna see any content like this anywhere else except for the pineapple. So this is the pineapple world, if you didn't know. But it's a very nice place to like share your experiences. I mean, not like that, like in a weird way, but I mean like comment down below. How did I die? I'm very confused. Well, actually, that's kind of the end of my recording time, so see ya!